Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. If you are new here, my name is Jess and I run Copper Garden. If you are returning, then welcome back. Today's video is actually going to be an unboxing because I went to Aspinal and made a cheeky little purchase that I couldn't wait to share on this channel. I've literally not even got it out of the box since I left the shop. I've just kept it in here because I knew that I was going to film this video. I've never done an unboxing before, so this is kind of like a new learning curve for me as well as you watching. If you've seen a million of these, I apologise if it's nothing like you expect or like you've seen. This is kind of trial and error for me right now. But I am not one for kind of like bougie purchases. I have never spent a lot of money on myself apart from things for work, so things like a camera or that kind of stuff. So this is the first time I've ever really spent money on myself, and this is the first like big purchase I've ever made, so really excited to show you. I know it isn't like a mega expensive brand, but Aspinal is kind of like the typical British luxury, and it was the first bag that I knew that I wanted and I could afford myself that I thought I would go and get, and what better way to share it than to put it in a YouTube video. So it is in here. I did also make two other purchases. One is in the bag, which I'll show you in a minute, and the other is this phone case. So they actually have the new iPhone X cases in the store, and I decided to get an orange one because I thought it would be like a little ray of sunshine, and quite frankly I was going to get the black one, but they didn't have the black, and I thought, do you know what, I actually love orange, it's my favourite colour, so I picked up the orange one. These are like croc leather, and honestly they're so nice, I love them. They're the kind of case that just will last me for literally years. So this is basically going to be on my phone for a lifetime, and I really like the colour of it. They do have like loads of new colours in at the moment, which are really nice, but that was the one I personally wanted. So in this store, it's actually a really nice experience. We went to the big Aspinal in St James's, and it's a really beautiful store. Everything is so beautiful, it's really well presented, and it's just kind of like an experience rather than just buying a bag. So the sales assistants are really lovely. We actually had a really nice girl, I can't remember her name, but she was really helpful, and when I was talking about the different colours of bags and stuff, she really helped me with like picking the colour choice and kind of the length of the strap that I would want and the way I'd wear bags and that kind of thing, because obviously they ultimately want you to make the purchases best for you. So I found it really great, and they also gave us sparkling wine / champagne when we were in the store. So when we were making the purchases and stuff, we just felt like a lot more comfortable. So we literally, me and Sam, who I went in with, put our bags to one side, and we literally just had like a really chilled out afternoon, just wandering around, picking things up, having a little look. There was no rush or anything, which I absolutely love, because I feel like some stores I've been in, especially for a more expensive purchase, I've noticed they kind of like rush you into a decision, whereas I found that they really were kind of relaxed and calm and very much like, okay, you make the decision you want to make, but this is what I would personally advise. So like, I was going to originally go for a different colour, and we realised that it maybe wouldn't go with most of my wardrobe and that kind of thing, so I ended up changing my mind. Anyway, I thought I would show you the first item. I have already opened the bag, so the bag is quite large as you can see, but I have the first little thing here. So the Aspinal packaging is actually gorgeous. This is one thing I love. Everything is really well packaged. Even if you're buying a present for yourself and they know it's for you, they still package it really beautifully. So if you wanted to give it as a present, you could. It's really beautifully packaged, and all the colours and everything are just so rich and luxurious. I just absolutely love it. Let me get this one out and show you what I got. So this is kind of the smaller of the two things. Obviously this is like a little mini purchase. Again, loads of attention to detail. So this is the first thing that I got. As you can see, it is a little card holder. I think I'm going to keep all these boxes because I think they're just really nice to put like trinkets and stuff in, and they're really handy for storing like memory cards and whatever. So this is the little card holder that I got. So on the one side it just says Aspinal of London, and then I actually got it with my initials on the other side, so you can pick the colour and the size, but I got gold small font, so this just has my initials in the corner. I absolutely love these. My friend Sam has had one for a year or so, and I've had like a cheaper version, so I just had one from like Topshop or something, and it's lasted me really well. But I thought, do you know what, I don't use a purse, I just use a card holder, because in London you don't really need much more than a card holder. So I thought I'd upgrade and get one that's really nice and really classic, and I went for the black croc just because I love everything being black, because I think it's very simple, very easy, very uniform, and the black croc to me is just a lot more luxurious, and it kind of adds that little luxury touch to every day. Whereas if I'd have got the plain, it maybe scratches a bit easier, it looks a bit muckier, a bit quicker. I think the finish is gorgeous. They did have loads of other colours and stuff, but I just think black, like I said, is the best. There was like a really deep oxblood red that I loved, and also a tan one, but I just thought black's the most classic for me. If I do decide to go get like a more autumnal one or something, then maybe I'd go for the oxblood or the tan for a bit more of a classic look, but the black is definitely the one that I just thought was the most beautiful. I'm going to put it back in the box for now because I don't want to get it messy or anything. I've literally refused to get anything out because I knew I was filming this video. So now the bag, which I know is why you're all here and I know is what you want to see. So the bag isn't actually in a box, it's just in the bag, because I basically couldn't get a box that was small enough. It would have been a really big one, and I didn't want to have like a huge box for no reason. So This is, this is the bag in a dust bag, which I am going to intend to keep it in because I've actually been keeping all of my more expensive bags in dust bags. I just think it keeps them a lot nicer. And even the attention to detail on this, like they've literally tied all the bows and the little handles poking out. It's just really cute. And again, branded. The dust bags are really good quality, so that's definitely something to take note, because if you do give it as a gift or you are making an expensive purchase and you want to know it's being looked after when you're not using it, really nice touch. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like because I'm very excited about this purchase. So I actually went for this bag, which is the Mayfair. So it looks a little bit like this. So it's a very classic handbag. I actually love how simple this is, and I love how kind of cutesy and small and just smart it looks. I think it's the kind of bag that I will be able to use for my entire life, and it's never going to get old, it's never going to get out of fashion, it's never going to just tire. It's just such a classic bag. And with a brand like Aspinal, they do have kind of more fashion bags, which I was thinking about getting, but I just thought for my first big investment to myself, I wanted to get something really classic and really easy and luxurious. So this is actually the black croc, which if you saw on my Instagram stories, I was torn between getting the nude or the black, but the nude I decided wouldn't go with as much in my wardrobe. It's great for summer, it's great for kind of if you have the money available to be able to buy like interchangeable bags and stuff, definitely would go back for it. But I figured the black just goes with way more. It means I can accessorize with black and gold a lot easier, so like a black and gold belt or black and gold loafers or whatever, and it just goes with everything. So that was my reasoning behind the colour choice. However, like I said, the oxblood and the tan did catch my eye too. But yeah, it goes with my little card holder. It doesn't quite go with the phone case. I was going to get the matching black croc, like I said, but they didn't have it in store. But I do like the fact that the phone case is so bright because I can find it in my bag really easily. But yeah, this is the baby. So it's black croc, which is actually calf leather, really high shine, really good quality. It's very sturdy, but it's not like too heavy. I quite like that it feels like really good quality, but it's not too heavy. The handle apparently wears really nicely according to the sales assistant, so I'm really excited for the fact that this is just going to kind of keep its structure and everything. I love all the little gold fastenings. I think it's such a cute little attention to detail that it's kind of open and really fancy. I love the kind of lock detailing on the front, which does have the branding on it. Just really nice detail. And then on the back, it's actually got a little pocket, just if you wanted to use that. I don't think I ever will, but it's there. And then it just has the Aspinal of London, England logo on it in gold as well. So really nice attention to detail. It does completely match the card holder, and I love the fact that everything is like black and gold. And then to open, you just push the two little clasps together and slide it out. And inside is just a really nice kind of luxurious red. This is one thing that I really did love. I love the fact that it's red because I think it's just really like rich and luxurious. On the pockets, I didn't really look inside the bag, I'll be dead honest. I kind of just saw the outside and was like, this is the bag for me, I know this is perfect. So inside you actually do have two big compartments, as you can see, and then in this back one there is a little kind of mini compartment which has a little mirror, which has the Aspinal of London branding, and then obviously a little compact mirror. I love the fact that it's got the little like pocket specifically for a compact with the little tab to pull it up, because it just means that if you're on the go you can just easily reapply makeup or whatever, and I'm always losing a little compact mirror, is so perfect. And then as you can see, there is the other pocket here with a little side pocket there, just in case you needed to put your card holder in or anything like that. And then the zip pocket as well for kind of my phone and stuff, I'd probably say would go in there, just so that it's not floating around my bag. The strap it comes with, so obviously you can have it over the shoulder, so it's got the little hooks here that you attach the strap to, and it's just got this adjustable strap, which you can buy different straps if you want to, I've seen on the website, but obviously for me I'm not going to be doing that. But this is the strap, so it's got the gold fastenings again. I really love all the gold hardware. I think I'm becoming a gold person, you know. And then it has the adjustable strap, so the one strap just has loads of little holes in, so you can make it as long or as short as you want to make it crossbody. This is kind of what sold me actually, because I think that having a crossbody option or just like a holding option is really convenient, because for me, being in London, I don't want like a big bulky over the shoulder bag. I want something that I can either sling around my body as a crossbody or just like hold, because bags are just really, in London you don't need a big bag, and on an everyday basis the only things that I really take with me are like my vlog camera, my phone, my card, and maybe a lipstick and my keys. Really small amount of stuff, so I don't need anything too big. This is actually the bigger size though, so this is the kind of normal sized one, but there is a mini version which did fit my phone and my card and everything in, but I think it would have been a squeeze, and I like that this has a bit more room, so I know that I'm not completely cramming it every time I use it. With regards to price, this actually costs £575, which isn't a massive amount to spend on a handbag. Like, I know that you can get bags that are a lot more expensive, but for me this was quite a reasonable price. But for such a classic bag that's gonna literally last me my whole life, I feel like my cost per wear for £575 £175 is going to be really good. Like, I'm probably going to use this so often that my cost per wear ends up being like 50p, not even. So yeah, really love it. I think it's such a beautiful little bag, and I can't wait to style it up with my outfits. I've got loafers and stuff that it will go with. I've got so much that I know that I can wear this with, and I love the fact that I can make it smarter or more casual or whatever. But it's going to literally become my baby. I know it is. I'm just going to be like wanting to sleep with it and just like... Now I know why when people buy designer bags they're like obsessed with them, because I am very much obsessed with this and I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put it back in its dust bag to end the video because I don't really want to have it out yet. I want to kind of keep it looking beautiful. I love it. I think it is so cute, and again, like, you can just keep it in this and it will keep perfect. I kind of want to keep it in the giant bag just so it never gets broken or anything. I really hope you liked my first unboxing, guys. There is going to be another unboxing in a couple of weeks because I have actually got another purchase that I'm waiting on turning up, and I know that it's going to be a very loved one and I can't wait for it to turn up. I'm very excited. But yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one.